I need to know, why are these roads so busy, man? Mate.
Brum biker, yeah. Na 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 na. Ooh. This is a Brum biker, Brum rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again. Yo, better looking some peas and money them a look. There's normally a speed camera hanging out at the bottom down here as well. They're crafty, you know, they'll put themselves down there and catch you right as you go around that bend. They're nasty bad, you know. And normally they put a little sign there, but oh, I don't see no sign. I need to know, why are these roads so busy, man? Mate, it is what, 20 past 11? It's not even 12 o'clock yet, Britton. Or is it just that I'm impatient? Like, why is it? And then down there by the roundabout, we've got a place called The Grove. It's an Asian food restaurant. And I personally, I prefer Soho Tavern all day long. You get me? Maybe it depends what you're having, I don't know, but the environment at Soho Tavern is nice. The food is bang on. I'm not a massive fan of the Grove. Maybe I need to go back and have something else. But I think with the Grove, when you go in the Grove, you go in there, you order, and then what happens now, I think they give you like a buzzer or something, and when it goes off, you gotta go and collect your food. Soho Tavern, man, you just go in, sit down, they seat you, you seat, and then you go off, order your food, and go back and sit down, and they bring it all to you. You know what I mean? So I love that still. I think the Grove is a bit more of a, it's a bit less of a restaurant kind of vibe. It's got like, you see man in there playing pool and there's slot machines. They've still got them in there. It's been a while since I've been in there still. So it's a different vibe in it. It's a bit more, I would say the Grove is a bit more homely, if that makes sense. Is that the correct word for it? Do you get me? Yeah, for me, Soho Tavern all day long. But what you'll find is if you go to the one in Warsaw, same food, bigger price, but the one in Warsaw, the place is actually nice. But the one, I can't remember what the road's called now. Is it Factory Road? Off Soho Road anyway. That one there that one's cheaper. Good value for money, and it's nice. Check it out, man. If you check it out, let me know what you think of Soho Tavern. If you've been there already, let me know what you thought of it. Ooh, this is nice. Ooh. Side of Hamza, that's some nice house, man. Anyhow, family, that's the end of today's one. I just thought I'd just take a little ride up Soho Road. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. We out.